There are some verbs in French that will always have a with them. Example, say parler à, to talk to, donner à, to give to, écrire à, to write to, téléphoner à, offrir à. All of these were with a. Whenever you want to write the objects, whoever they are giving something to, donner à, if you want to replace it with a pronoun, it has to be the COE. Example, if I say, je donne une lettre à mon frère. If I want to replace à mon frère, it has to be a COE. And then it comes before the verb. So I can say, je lui donne une lettre. I'm giving him a letter. Same thing. Je lui offre un cadeau. I'm offering him a gift. Je lui parle. I'm speaking to him. Je lui téléphone. I'm calling him or her. Okay? Now for the verbs penser à and réfléchir à, for example, if I'm saying I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking about something. So if I could say, je pense à mon avenir. I'm thinking about my future. Now for the verb penser, are there and the objects will be replaced by y. And I say y pense. Now y there means it. I repeat, for the verbs penser à, whatever comes after à, if it's an idea, okay, to replace it, we replace it with y in English, and then it comes before. So if I say j'y pense, it means I'm thinking about it, and that the y you see here is replacing an idea or something I said. You can also use it to replace a pet, okay, but not human beings. A pet. So if I say je pense à mon chat, you could say je pense. I'm thinking about it. And then to talk about a place, with the verb to go, we replace the place with e. So in this context, if I say je vais à Paris, I'm going to Paris. To replace à Paris, I replace it with e. And then the e will mean there. So if I say je vais à Paris, I'm going there, j'y vais. Elle va au musée. She's going to the museum. I can replace au musée with e and then come before the noun. And then I say elle y va. She's going there. It's as simple as that. Tu vas à la fête. You're going to the party. Tu y vas. Vous allez au parc. Are you going to the park? I can replace au parc with y. And then I put it before the verb. Vous y allez. Are you going there? Now, when e replaces a place, when you use the verb aller, for instance, then it means there. But if it replaces an idea or a thing, then it means it. On the other hand, if you're saying you're coming back, for example, revenir de, because it's de plus the place will be replaced by en. So if you're coming back from Nigeria, okay, and I say tu reviens du Nigeria, because it's du Nigeria, you will say j'en reviens. Okay, not je reviens. You say j'en reviens. But if I had said tu vas, you are going, tu vas au Nigeria, you can say oui, j'y vais. Now for verbs with de, for example, se souvenir de, to remember, it remains that way. We only use the pronom tonique, like you learned. Pronom tonique is it. So if I want to say, I remember him, I would say, je me souviens de lui. Okay? It will remain in its position. We're not bringing it before the verb. I remember her. Je me souviens d'elle. We're using pronom tonique now. I remember them. Je me souviens de. Je me souviens de. So for verbs that take de, I still say de. For example, parler de. To talk about. I keep it that way. I'm talking about him. Je parle de lui. Okay? But it's different from I'm speaking to him. To him is je parle à lui. And I can say je lui parle. But with de, you can't say anything else. Je parle de lui. I'm talking about him. it stays at the end of the sentence. On replaces an object that is preceded by de. On parle de cette idée. On parle de cette idée. So because it's an idea or a thing, I'm going to replace de and the idea with on. And then I bring it before the verb. I say, on en parle. We talk about it. So on here means about it. And then it will come before the verb. On en parle. J'ai peur des scorpions. J'ai peur des scorpions. If I wanted to replace the scorpion, I could replace it with en. And then I bring it before the verb. And I will say, j'en ai peur. J'en ai peur. I'm afraid of it. Or I'm afraid about it. Tu profites bien de ton week-end? Tu profites bien de ton week-end? Once you see de ton week-end, we can replace de ton week-end with en. And then say, oui, j'en profite. Oui, j'en profite.